Is the DJI Mini 3 Pro the perfect travel drone? This is a question I wanted to answer, testing the drone in varied and challenging locations. However, the UK weather thought different and it simply wasn't cutting it. So I decided that the only answer for this was to pack up and head off to sunnier climates. Hey guys, welcome to the video. Today something completely different. I've come to the island of Mallorca with the DJI Mini 3 Pro, trying to get some good footage on this stunning island. I've come on my own. I've got a little map, so thanks Jules for this, with some locations that I'm already pinpointed. I'm going to try and get some good footage there. I'm also going to be doing a few videos whilst I'm here, teaching you guys some cinematic moves. The first location I've come to is the Solar area. This area, as I'm just driving through it, I'm amazed. It's like you go through this massive tunnel through a mountain and then you come to a little town which is surrounded by all these fantastic mountains and landscapes. I wish I brought the FPV drone. That would have been heaven here. But I'm interested to see in these different locations throughout the next couple of days how this Mini 3 Pro does. And as soon as we're finished here, I'm moving on to the next location and I'll see you there. But wow, this location is stunning. I've just found a place to park the car here. I'm at the top of this mountain. Well, I think I'm at the top. I hope I'm at the top. I've been driving all of probably about 15 minutes from that Solar area and I'm already in one of the scariest roads I've ever been on in my life. Anyway, I'm going to get the drone out and show you. So literally just over those trees there is this massive drop straight down into the town. So let's get the drone out here and show you what it's all about. What I love about these small drones like the Mini 3 is that because the batteries are pretty small, it doesn't take long to charge either. I'm charging it on the go in this car with the USB-C charger. It's back up to full. Let's show you what's over that drop. Let's go. Just while it boots up as well, I am roasting. It's about 25 degrees here. It's not been that hot forever in England. How nice is this Solar area up here? So the Mini 3 Pro did fantastic. So on the way to the next area, so I'm going en route to Alcudia, but I'm going to be stopping a couple more destinations. So the famous one, probably pronounce this wrong, is Nustisa Corbata. Probably pronounced that wrong 100%, but it's meant to be a really famous road, lots of car commercials filmed there. So this is the actual route towards Alcudia via that road. So interesting to see how that turns out. So I'll see you at that location. Let's go. So would you believe it, just when we're about 10 minutes away, just behind me there in the destination we're heading to, we find this area, Gorge Blue. Mini 3, do you think? promise you we will now head to Nusta Sakobata. Let's go. So we've made it to Sakalobra. This is absolutely stunning, this place. Just look at it. Can you pick that up through the camera? Just how gorgeous this place is. But let's take the Mini 3. Let's get some aerial shots. The roads were brilliant. Stunning location. Let's see how the Mini 3 handles it in an area like this. Oh, by the way, for those people asking, I've used this controller now in all the locations. I've not charged this yet. Still on 4 bars. The controller, the screen, absolutely brilliant. I can't believe just how gorgeous this is. This is probably the best place I've ever filmed with a drone. Bloody hell. So I hope you enjoyed that footage. This place alone was worth coming to Mallorca for, just for this location. I've never seen anything like this ever before. Stunning. And the Mini 3, I'm just speechless. So we're really high up, it's really windy. You can tell by we're above the clouds in some areas. And the Mini 3 just handles the wind conditions absolutely flawlessly. The screen, the controller, excellent. It's still on 4 bars, so even on full brightness I can see it clearly, and it doesn't drain the battery. And I managed to get quick shots, managed to get photos, 48 megapixel photos, wide photos, different shots, different pans, different cinematic shots, all on one battery. Absolutely outstanding. Right, we're going to head back to the hotel now, and now we're going to get everything charged up. We've got a few locations to go to tonight, but I think I might come back here tomorrow. I absolutely love it here. Let's go to the hotel. Oh, we have a balcony as well. Oh, what's this? This, just in time when I need it. We'll open that in a minute. Is this gonna be a balcony? Oh yes, it is. Is it open? Oh yes. We'll have some of this. So what a day so far. Some of these places that I've seen already on this trip are just absolutely breathtaking. That last place we went to, I've never been on roads or a place ever that looked that nice. That looks absolutely stunning. So I've got to this location now. I'm just going to chill for a little bit. I'll do a drone video outside on that balcony in a minute, then go and get something to eat. And I want to be in a position for the next location for sunset. So that's the plan. But let's go and open this box. Fingers crossed It's what I hope it is. Right, I'm going to use the car key because we're away, so let's get this open. It is! Thank you. You know who you are for sending this. Thanks so much. This has come just at the perfect time. The DJI Mini 3 Fly More kit. I need these batteries for this trip. Perfect. Thanks so much. Right, I'm going to get everything charged. The next shot you're going to see is me on the balcony with the Mini 3 showing you this fantastic area. Let's go. I wanted to quickly mention as well about the DJI RC. So I've been filming throughout the day, charging the drone on the go, but I haven't charged this. So it's been super bright today. The brightness on here has been 100%, and the battery, all I've done is lost 1 bar. So the battery on here is fantastic. You don't have anything to worry about. So if you got any concerns about the battery won't last very long on here, I saw someone say it only lasts an hour. Not at all. This battery is phenomenal. By now, after all day on the go, I was really starting to flag. So whilst the batteries were charging, I chilled and made use of the hotel facilities. It has not only 3 pools, but a spa, gym and relax area. I then headed out into the tourist area of Alcudia, got a bite to eat, but I wanted to be in position for sunset. Now the drive up to this location was epic, with windy, steep roads with sudden drops either side. It certainly wasn't for the faint-hearted, but definitely well worth it. So the last place for sunset is Cap Fermenta. So this is going to be a great spot for anybody who wants to get a sunrise shot pretty close to Alcudia. Let's get the drone in the air. And that is the reason why you come here for sunsets with the Mini 3 Pro.
It is all in our hands, it is all in our hands. With every field and rising sea, sounds of all, and with every change we'll always be where hope's not lost but found. It is all in our hands, it is all in our.
So there you go guys, the end to day 1 here in Mallorca, flying this guy, the DJI Mini 3. And I don't know about you, but I am just completely blown away by the performance of this drone. I brought the Mavic 3 as well. It's still in the bag. I've not had to open it at all. Every shot that I've wanted and needed to get, I've been able to get on this guy. And for travel, I said the Mini 2 is the best travel drone, and that was until this. This will allow you to do literally everything you need. With that wind performance now, you can do tracking, it's got the sensors, it's good at low light for nighttime shots. Those sunset shots on this, amazing. Now when I get back, I'm going to be producing quite a few videos relating to the time here. So I'm going to be doing some tutorials, teaching you guys cinematic moves, looking at the quick shots, looking at some extra features on here in more in depth. This is just basically a vlog behind the scenes basically of the time here. So let me know if there's anything else you want me to cover. But I'm kind of giving you like a real world review and first hand look of what this is like to travel around with. You know, if you're taking just a small camera like I'm filming on now on the Sony ZV-1, it's excellent for all this footage, and then coupled it with a small drone like this, you've literally got everything covered. So I'm going to wrap it up today. I need to get to bed. I'm absolutely knackered. It's been a fantastic day, and day 2 starts tomorrow. Going to explore some beaches tomorrow and get some more footage. But yeah, there's going to be a whole loads of videos based on the time here, but it's going to be interesting.